Hey folks, it's James with 6zeros.tech again. Today we're working on the logical operators for your searches or your queries. There are 7 different operators that you can use in each of your queries. So let's go through and check them out. The first one that we're going to do is the equals. Brand equals Geico. And because there's nothing else in here, it works. If we take one out, it does not equal TYC. Type O, and it works. Or, and we're going to be looking at this field right here. So if we hover over this, you see that eBay ID right there. eBay ID. Go over here. Highlight. Copy. Control V. Enter. And that brings up this one. Another way to find this is if you're looking at the listing here, it is right here. It's your eBay item number, or it'll be here in the URL right there. The next one that we're going to do is the minus. Title minus scratches. So that's going to bring up everything except for this one. You can think of the minus as not. So it does not have this. So it's negative scratches. Nothing in here with scratches. Okay, so here I've added the eBay category ID. So we're going to do eBay cat ID. Again, we find that by hovering over this. See the eBay cat ID right there. Minus, so not 2619. That'll be this one. So this one and this one, they're going to go away. All right, see the 2 are gone. For the next one, we're going to be doing the greater than, or the right arrow. Price greater than everything over $50. Looking at the item ID, anything eBay ID greater than 0. That will give us this one. So anything that's listed on eBay will have an item ID or an eBay ID greater than 0. That's assigned by eBay and sent back to SureDone, where we can even use the date. So date, and this is the time that it was listed, or the date that it was listed. So anything greater than 2021-10-01. So this is anything created after October 1st, 2021. That would be that one. All these other ones were created before. Right now, we'll just go ahead and check that out. And there, we're going to change that. This will be everything before. We could even do 09. So with this, it's the year, month, day. I wonder if it works with this. Year, month, day. Yep, that works as well. Also, price less than $50. $9.99 and $33.51. Or we can go with stock less than 5. So anything with less than 5 in stock. Here in stock, 1, 1, and 0. This one, we're going to be using the caret. Hold down Shift and press the 6 key. The caret is used to search fields that begin with a certain character or string of characters. For instance, we are going to be using the title, and we're going to be searching for genuine. Title, caret, genuine. And that brings up this because it's the only one that begins with genuine. So whenever we use the $sign, we are searching fields for the ending. So in this instance, we are going to be looking for scratches just like before. So we're going to do title, scratches. Now, unlike before, whenever you would put the operator at the beginning, we're going to put the operator, the $sign, at the end. And there we go. We find scratches. But unfortunately, it does not work with numerical fields. Now, the last thing that I wanted to go over with you is the or the parentheses. We can search for multiple different items using the or. So if it's brand this or brand that, then display it. So we will do, we're going to do open parenthesis. You don't have to have a space, but I like to put a space. Brand is Tyco, space, brand is clutch, and then space, and then closing parenthesis. So that brings up all of them except for the drum. Putting them all together really allows you to get in deep, and you can create some crazy searches with this stuff. So they're really powerful tools if you know how to use them. And that's why we're here. This is what we're doing. Hey folks, thanks for watching. Drop your comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.